All right, so you already know what today is. Ain't even wasting no time. I'm late as crap, and I gotta do something in the morning. So let's get straight into it. Earnings for this week. Many names earning. Many names reporting this week. Big companies. Palantir, AMD, Shopify. The list goes on. Y'all can see. I'm just scatter around. We have Pinterest, Palantir, Shopify, PayPal, Pfizer, AMC, uh, SMCI. SMCI is a stock is a tech company for sure. I know that. MicroStrategy reports, AMD reports, Disney, NVO, Kraft, Uber, CVS reports. Interesting. ARM, App Loving, Snapchat, Beyond Meat. Uh, what else? What else? What Celsius? I ain't. That just crossed my mind. We're just talking about that today. Celsius energy drink. They report CELH. I may look them up. CELH. McDonald's, Affirm, Wendy's. The list goes on, right? The list goes on. SoundHound reports, Planet Fitness reports. The list goes on, right? News for this week. Nothing crazy. I mean, we have S&P Global Services PMI 945. New home sales is all Tuesday. Jobs 10 a.m. data per usual. Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change. Regular Thursday. Friday we have NFP non-farm payroll. Show how many jobs were added or lost in the previous month. Unemployment rates at 8:30. So we should see how this affects the market. Well, the bottom for sure, the NFP and unemployment rate. I'm gonna see how that affects the market. Well, we shall see how that affects the market. I don't know, but let's go ahead and get into the charts, right? I'm just basing this off a few levels. Really, all these stocks off a few levels. And I already dissected this, and this is gonna be a very smooth video because I'm late and it's gonna go very smoothly. So boom, I kind of cleared up my chart on SPY, but new all-time highs on SPY again. We topped off at, what do we top off at? 724.87, 724.87. Yeah, interesting, right? Very interesting. So we moved higher on Friday. Let me see the weekly RSI. This is crazy dip, like bro. Like I'm mad at myself because I ain't even see this on the RSI off the daily. Just went what? Wait, this 25. I'm tweaking. I'm sorry. I was gonna say I'll get even more mad. But listen, I'm telling you, it happens. It happens. It happens. I'm gonna catch it. Trust. But we only went down to 35. But anyway, let me go back to what's going on this week. So we do see volume kind of slowing down a bit on the bull side. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green candles. And we're going higher. We're going higher. Above EMAs like crazy. Off the weekly. Can't be mad at it. Can't be mad at it. Daily is more calm down. More calm down. So let's see what on the daily. I'm sorry. Everywhere right now. On the daily, I do see an inverted hammer at the top off the daily. We did go up, make new all-time highs on Friday, and then we came back down. We came down a bit, and off the daily, inverted hammer at the top. So what I'm thinking, possibly 714 pullback, or we could possibly go to like 709ish, right in this area. 709, 702, possibly. Who knows? But it's not like one of those strong inverted hammers at the top. You know, volume isn't crazy high. The bearish volume isn't crazy high. So I'm thinking we just do a cooler bounce off 714 and we go higher. This is just still like this drop. It's like I remember, funny enough, I know that it's off topic, but this relates to what I'm talking about. I remember Aristotle, he was talking about like he missed like 2 drops. I want to say the trade war, something crazy like that, like back in 2018 or whatnot. But I remember he said that, and I feel the same way right now. Like I would not miss the next drop. Trust me, like trust me, I won't. Trust me, I won't. Trust me, I won't. Only how I miss it is if I'm gonna let y'all know. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all know. But anyway, we ain't even gonna say that. But that's what I got. 714 bounce spy QQQ. Now QQQ is a little different. Now, let me start off the weekly. Let me show the RSI. Did I show the RSI on the daily? Oh yeah, RSI off the daily is a little oversold. It's like got consolidation up here as well. So don't mind that in the background. But same. Oh, let me go. Ooh. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 consecutive green candles on tech as well. Tech is very good right now. Tech is heavy. Technology. Warm-up performance is something stupid for the sector. Up 17% on the technology sector alone for just the month. Is back in the groove. Technology is back in the groove. It's looking good for tech. Um, crazy, crazy because technology was just like so low, and people were just doubting tech, but now it's back up, and that's just I'm learning this just how it goes. Like it's just how it goes. Like people they gonna sell they shares or whatnot to buy back low. Like I mean yeah to buy low. Like come on, like that's the name of the game. Buy low, sell high. But RSI on tech same like SPY choppy up here and it's a little oversold. I'm thinking no crazy levels on here, but definitely some supply and demand or support resistance. Probably, probably we could reject off this level off these new all-time highs, and I'm thinking either bounce off 665 or we can go below 665 and bounce off 656. That's what I'm thinking. Somewhere around there. Yeah, nothing crazy on tech. Tech is we had an inverted hammer at the top on SPY, but right here we just have a straight green candle. Let me see. Yeah, straight green candle, crazy. Tech help on Friday. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. Chevron. Chevron. Along with tech is energy. Energy has been up crazy. 3-month performance on energy up 18%. And I will be taking. Oh, I'll be looking to take. Uh, I'll be looking to take a swing or whatnot in Chevron. Straight like that. What is this? I'm everywhere. My bad. Let me calm down. 189 hold. That's what I said. 189 hold. Uptrend. Definitely uptrend. I did not mark out. I did not mark out trend line. It's all good. Maybe I'm tweaking. It's the other stock. But boom. Let's see the RSI. See the RSI. RSI isn't bad. We sold off a bit. We could definitely go higher. Looking at the weekly, it's not a real. Oh, I'm looking at the volume right now. The volume on the weekly on Chevron looking very good. The bullish side looking very good. It's looking like a reversal with these 3 candles, but honestly, I want to see this last week candle have more bullish volume than this bearish volume, or more buy side to up. More, I would want to see this candle encaps this candle if that makes sense. Let me just put it like that. But we did bounce off this level with this candle, nice bounce, and we have been holding 183. We made highs, higher low, well higher high, higher low. We went higher, and I'm thinking hold 189 or come kind of below 189. We can hold 189 or come down below it, and then pull back off of it and go higher. That's what I see. Kind of something that has to play out definitely because I see the uptrend forming, the trend flip, and I'll be watching this for sure. Next, oh, tweaking. BID. Badu, right? Badu. This one I will have to pay attention to for sure. This one I will have to pay attention to for sure. Double bottom, which I can spot as of right now. Major support or major demand at 124.25. 124.25. Y'all see this level? A lot of reaction off this level. You can go on and count how many candles have tapped this level. And now I would want to see this hold 124. If this can hold 124, I believe we can go higher. We can succeed 120, 128. Take profit into 132. Something like that. If it plays out like that, cool. But if it doesn't, we just have to be patient. But that's what I see on Bidu. A very simple trade, in my opinion. Double bottom, and this major demand. Major demand. I kind of did mark out on the RSI that the stock is going one way, but the RSI is kind of go down. So that's why I say definitely have to pay attention to it. But it's not oversold or nothing, or overbought or nothing. So I'm not opposed to getting filled. And then we had this crazy bullish candle. And yeah. 124 124.25. Crazy support, crazy level on Bidu, and we'll have to see what happens. Lastly, MRK, Merck. They reported. Yes, they reported. They had great earnings. They beat their earnings and revenue. They beat their earnings, which is an amazing thing. And when did they report? The 26th. When was the 26th? It was like last week. That was Sunday. That was Sunday. What? No, that wasn't Sunday, right? Hold on. Maybe I'm looking too hard. Let me see. The 30th. So that was Thursday. I was like, no, not tripping. I'm pretty sure I seen the name before Sunday. I'm like, who? And you can't report on Sunday. But Bidu, I love. Let me go out the weekly. I just love this setup as of right now. 3 taps of support with this trend line. We are in a downtrend. It's more high risk, high reward type play, but I see this going up. I do see this going up. I want to see this. I want this 112 to hold. We can kind of go below it and form that higher low. Let me see. Kind of go below it. Boom. Form that higher low, and start trending upwards. So that's what I see on Merck. And yeah, that this 3 taps of support really did it for me. I know these doji, so this another one just like, what is that? Chevron. This another one like kind of like Chevron. You have to see play out. I'll probably keep watching this stock if it doesn't do what I want it to do this week. So yeah, straight like that. End of the video. I will be back here when I be back here. Straight like that.